Hi, so today I'm going to take you through a register key exercise warm-up. So this is just a play-along warm-up that you can do. It's short, fast, but it's a great way to sort of make sure that your reed is set and that you can warm up your lungs and your breath. And as you do these, we're going to start on the low E on the clarinet, and we're going to go all the way up chromatically to the high F. And just remember to keep a solid embouchure, nice firm chin, corners in, top of the lip engaged, fast focused air stream. And if you have the right embouchure and the right air speed, the high notes should come out without too much trouble. And also just remember, you want to have your lip about here on the reed. Just try, if you don't have enough reed, the reed won't vibrate if you don't have enough of it in your mouth. So just make sure your lip's about down to about here, I would say. Okay, so let's do this together. I'm going to do 2 counts on the low note and 4 counts on the high note on the 12th once we press the register key. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, So that's it for your register key warm-up, and go back and do that again if you want to, and have fun.